Hello, I'm the first one. I'm from a working class family. Kong. There are more and more comedy shows that happen. Can I just check something just quickly? We're sending you to Disney World. Sometimes people bring their kids along. You would, wouldn't you? Worth it though. Right. For it's quite intense. And Wolf was like an old man name. So they're all called things like Chester Malone. And that's when things get a bit more awkward than of activities, and apart from pass the parcel, it's still gifts, because they ruin that game